Assalamu alaikum viewers. You are most welcome in Amazing Facts series. Our today's question is, what is pangram? What is pangram? A sentence which contains all letters of English alphabet. So, can we have any sentence like this? Yes. The quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. You can see that all English letters of English alphabet are included in this sentence. There are 26 letters of English alphabet A to Z. So this sentence includes all 26 letters of English alphabet. You can say this is a pangram sentence, or in other words, you can say that this sentence is pangram of English alphabet. I hope viewers you must like this point in Amazing Facts series. Thank you.